8 theme black. Black. Let's see what I have in black. Black. Oh, I have only one t-shirt in black. Let's try this out. So this t-shirt looks cool, but the print on it, So as you can see, the print on the t-shirt has faded and also the edges are washed out. So I decided to remove the whole print, and that is what the video is all about. Now without wasting more time, let's start the video. To remove the print from the t-shirt, first you will need a wet cloth and a dry cloth. Here I am using a small hand towel for this. Now what I will do is I will place this dry cloth inside the t-shirt under the print. Make sure that you place it properly under the print. Now place the wet cloth on the print which you have to remove. Plug in the iron and don't forget to turn it into high cotton setting. Then iron the wet cloth to melt and loosen the print below it. Continue this for at least 3 to 4 minutes until the print becomes loose. Take a knife or spoon. I am using a spoon here and just rubbing it on the print. This will lose the print more. If you feel that the print is still not melted, then iron it again for more 1 minute. Print has now become loose, then start peeling it off. Trust me guys, this process will not ruin or damage your t-shirt at all. Only please be careful while using the iron. So what happened was, when I was peeling the print off, I felt that the print is not still coming out properly, and then I realized the wet hand towel which I was using was thick, and because of it the print was not melting properly. So I decided to use a thin handkerchief for it. And guys, I'll suggest you to use the same, but make sure that you use the old handkerchief, because there is a possibility that the print might stick to it or transfer the color to it. As you can see, a lot of print has been removed and the color of the print has completely transferred to the handkerchief. So make sure that you use the old handkerchief. And also now the print, as you can see, is coming out more easily. The print has almost been removed, and yes, I can wear it now. If you guys liked this video or found it useful, then don't forget to like and share the video, and also subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button so that you will get a notification whenever I post a new video. Bye, see ya.